Recently, I have uploaded a video on as how to get Swiggy Instamart birthday gift. So, viewers has asked me question. Just read it. How to scan the QR code. Hi, I also received the birthday gift. I want to know how to unlock the special offer given along with the gift. It is instructed to scan the QR code, but I'm wondering from where I should scan the code. Thank you guys for your question. Today I'll be answering your question as from where and how to scan this QR code if it is available with you. So do watch. Hello, namaste. How are you all? Happy? Yes. Received your Swiggy Instamart birthday gift? If yes, let me know in the comment section. Today, let's see how to scan QR code and from where you got to scan this QR code. But first, let me tell you what is this QR code. This QR code is just information. Some of the examples I've got here is information about products, website, offers, rewards, or cashbacks. And sometimes when we buy some products, when we unbox it, we'll receive warranty cards. And on that, they'll be asking us to scan some QR codes to get cashback or rewards or to extend your warranty. So in the recent times, when I've got Swiggy Instamart birthday gift box, so in the gift box we have got Swiggy birthday card. So in that they have given a QR code and asked us to scan to get more offers. So we'll see that how we can do to get more offers. So we'll see from where to scan that QR code that is given in the gift box and how. Most of our smartphones have a built-in app called Scanner. If you don't have that app, I will tell you in the later part of the video. Do watch. You just go to that Scanner app and you scan the QR code that is given on the Swiggy Instamart gift card as shown in the picture. After you scan, this is the screen that appears before you, and click on go to website. When you click on that, you will be directed to Swiggy app. You'll be navigated or directed to Swiggy offers page. See, as shown in the picture, this is the screen that appears with all offers and coupons for you. You can check out over here. Even now, the Swiggy's birthday offer is on. You've got 50% off on Swiggy Instamart and flat 150 off on Swiggy. I'll also provide you with the coupon codes in the description box to avail more discounts and apply those coupons while you check out. I'll show you how you can get offers every day. Just click on the profile icon on your home page. Click on My Account and you will see an option of offers. You got to click on that. You will see all the offers that are present in your city on that day. Sometimes you may get the products for free. So do check out daily to have the offers and enjoy. In some of the Android phones, you may not have built-in app called Scanner. So you can download a Scanner from Google Play Store as shown in the picture as QR code generator or QR scanner creator. You got to install this app on your smartphone and start using to scan the QR codes to get offers, rewards, or any other information of any websites or share your device or data to any of your friends or family. Now, after installing the app, this is how the screen looks. Click on Scan as shown in the picture. Now take the Swiggy Instamart birthday card and scan the QR code. This is how it appears. Now click on Open Link. When you click on that, Two options will appear before you as Chrome and TubeMate. If you have installed, you will be directed to Swiggy Instamart offers page. That's it, done. So do check out and enjoy your offers and rewards or coupons. And still, if you've got any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. And thank you for subscribing to Flying Skies One. Thank you. That's it for today. I'll take off. I'll meet you again in the next video. Have a good day. Keep smiling.